Here we're at a dam on Round Lake. This is gearing up for the Springs Drive. Springs arrival signaling the start of the river drive. It was a time to move logs from Round Lake to the mills downstream. As lake ice broke up, the men floated logs to the dam, hand-cranked gears, wound chains, and raised the sluice gates. Men stood on the timber frames and pike pulled logs through the sluiceway into the holding pond. Once the holding ponds had filled with logs, the gates were shut. Spring Lake levels rose behind the dam to create a 10-foot head of water. Cranking open the floodgates released a thunderous eruption of water which propelled logs to the next dam 12 miles downstream. Sure-footed log drivers risked life and limb furthering the unpredictable river of logs. The perilous journey ended weeks later at the mills along the Chippewa and Mississippi rivers. And it says, new life to an old dam. 1981, the Round Lake Dam earned a spot on the National Register of Historic Places before it was deteriorating. So, here it is. The dam they used for logging. I believe is Round Lake. And there's those cranks they were talking about. Oh. And there's some, probably a deer skull. Yeah.